Hey everybody, it's Ferrari here with WavyTrades. Just want to introduce this WavyTrades MASTR Pro indicator. It's a very helpful indicator for day traders, scalpers, swing traders, even investors, people that like to do leaps or whatnot. And I just want to give you a quick overview of the indicator. So just really quick, just so you could get a grasp on how it could really help you out with your trading. So yesterday in our chat room, I put on a swing trade for Tesla based off of this indicator, and I just want to go back and just show you. So just to give you just a quick rundown, this indicator has two main components. It's this wide stair-stepping kind of highlighted red line. That's its primary momentum. All right, and when you see something that's stair-stepping down with the red color, that is bearish momentum stepping down. All right. And then the second component of this is the secondary momentum, which are these lines here. Okay. Secondary momentum, which is these lines. All right. You have a fast secondary momentum, which is normally the first to cross and move. And then you have a slow secondary momentum, right? So, and that's just a very brief description of where that is. So in general, your slower momentum is telling you the primary reading. So we're saying at this point, we on the 30-minute chart frame, we had bearish momentum stepping down. Now, when you see stuff like this, you know, when it's real bearish, and then you see the secondary momentum pop up, normally these are signs you can short into. In most cases, these are signs you could short into, because it's basically the primary signal is stair stepping down while your secondary signal is popping up, giving you the opportunity to take the trade. So with that, just very short, I have trainings on this that go very much in detail to get y'all going. I want to show you how Tesla looked yesterday, and this will also help you kind of see the power of this indicator. So Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, yesterday Tesla lost a very big key level of 90, right? So I know it was pretty bearish. All right. I know it was pretty bearish, now, I was sitting and I was looking at this 15-minute time frame, and I seen your primary signal was stair stepping down, and it stair stepped down into, with the second component of this, the maximum bearish strength. Once something's below 10, or in the opposite, above 90, you have maximum bearish strength. Weakness, and maximum strength above 90. So maximum weakness below 10, maximum strength below 90. So when this was stair stepping down and hit below 10, that's extreme bearishness on the 15-minute, right? So when Tesla went and it cracked back up, excuse me, it went and it cracked back up, this will present a trade opportunity, right? With a stop right above that breakdown low, right? That breakdown candle, the top of that breakdown candle. Why? Because of the secondary momentum popped up. That's how you use this indicator. So the primary signal down here, the slower, was stair stepping down and in the bearish area. The secondary signal popped up and it was coming you know, we have right here, you know, this nice level was a trade entry. It was a trade entry for a fish hook, because we had that also on the larger time frame. On the hourly, look how much bearish momentum this happened. You see Tesla was very bullish. We had primary signal stair stepping up all the way to its max target, and once the slow momentum of the primary signal broke past this 90, that confirmed a break in the strength of that bullish momentum. All right. So now there was no more. So now after that happened, there's no more super bullish strength here. See, this measures the strength. It tells you how strong something is. Now the momentum is coming down. It's falling momentum. It's falling momentum, right? So when I seen this on the hourly chart, right, in this 15-minute right here, I said, okay, I'm taking this trade, and my stop's going to be a candle close up here, you know, in this zone. So now I'll just fast forward just a little bit. I ended up, and I'll come down on a 5-minute candle. The trade actually ended up working. All right. And right here is where I took profits initially. So I took profits on a retest back. So I caught a $2 move. You see it kissed right off of this level, and it caught a $2 move on the downside. I made money on that. I forget, I think it was maybe about, it was 290. It was about 80% profit, which is not bad for a very quick trade. However, I did decide to hold some runners, right? We were nearing the end of the day, and I said, let me just hold a couple. So I was holding. I never got stopped out, and I think I just went a little bit too far. No, I went a little bit too far, but at the end of the day, you could see, now if I zoom back out on the 15-minute chart, you could see we still had maximum bearish momentum on the 15-minute chart. And this was this was here when I was looking at it, because the day didn't close. This right here is 3:45 p.m. The stock market closes at 4. So it was on this level that I seen we had this bearish momentum underneath this reading of 10, which is maximum bearishness. So I said, okay, I alerted my chat room. I'm gonna swing my runner on Tesla. So that's what I did, and I was also confident going into that swing, because this hour was stair stepping down. So this morning when I woke up, I observed there was more relative weakness in Tesla in the morning, which was a good sign. Let me see if I can play these candles now. So you could see this is all pre-market. This is just pre-market after hour stuff. But you can see how this thing is reacting. We're still in this very bearish. This is a 5-minute. So actually, did I jump in? I jumped into, no, this is still pre-market. Okay, 5:30 in the morning. So I'm just fast forwarding it to the beginning of the day. So I seen all this action pre-market. I seen Tesla was still all this. I woke up about this time, 8:30 a.m. and I seen Tesla. I'm watching, okay, right before the day opens. All right, let's see. So I woke up right here. I seen Tesla was coming down, but more important, I checked my master indicator and look what the 30 minutes doing. So you see the 30-minute was still super bearish, and it was coming all the way down in here in this bear flag. And on the hour, it was all the way down here in this 10. So I said, okay, to start the day, I said, right when we opened immediately, I'm up, because I had my put runner. And I think I went a little too far, because the first candle, the first 3 minutes, I'm going to have to back this up a little bit. But my put runner, when I got in, was all the way up here at 187. So at this point in the morning, I was 140% in profit. So 140%, that's one double of your money and almost a half. So if you had $5,000 in the trade, you would have been up about almost 7 grand on the trade. Right? If you had, depending on that, it was 140% return at this level. But I wanted to back out, because when you wake up in profits like that, I implemented a stop loss, Let me just back out of this real quick, and then I'll just come back in. All right. So to start the day, my on Tesla, I had to start the day, I had a level here. I think it was right here. It was right here. I had took it off now, but it was here this morning. I had that level, and I had rounded it down. Okay, it was 38.75. So this was a level, you can see it corresponded to the pre-market and yesterday's low. It was a key level. So I set my stop on the runners. I was already up 100, 100+% in the morning. I think in this time, maybe like 90 to 100%. So I said, if Tesla breaks above this VWAP in this this key level, I'm going to cut my runner for just that profit, whatever that would have been at that time, about 80 or 90%. So now I'm gonna come into this 2-minute candles and just press play to show you what happened right there. It happened a little quick right there. I had the speed too fast, but that's okay. So right in the morning, the first candle, we jump all the way up to this level and we rejected. Now that was a point where I could have added some more, but look at the thing. The 2-minute, now this is a micro time frame, but the same principle applies. We got the fish hook, which is what we're always looking for. So the 2-minute was stair stepping down, the bearish momentum. The bearish momentum never left this 10 candle, and we got that hook on the 2-minute. That hook is what made me the money yesterday and the overnight swing, the profits of the 140% on that, just looking for that and combining it with the higher time frame. I saw the bearish momentum, and this is very powerful because when it's just price action alone, you don't know how strong something is. You don't know, for example, this here was stronger. Once that cracked and started to reverse, that was the time to you're more confident. Like this momentum now, I'm confident. So when this bounce comes, I know it's counter momentum because I can see it right here. I can see the momentum is very bearish, and this is an opportunity to go counter the momentum. That was another add point. I didn't add. I just held my runners, but I sold right on this candle for 140% profit. And again, just to recap, that it was based off of this. The whole trade was based on the same fish hook right here. It was textbook fish hook. This indicator is the best on the market. It does nothing that anything does by accurately reading momentum. And I just wanted to introduce it to you because I really believe that it could help a lot of traders by knowing when momentum is very strong and knowing when momentum is very weak. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video introducing the WavyTrades MASTR Pro. This is available to purchase. I'm gonna put a link in the description. This is available. It's for TradingView only at the moment. We actually have though copyrights and everything on every platform, so it's just not ready for every platform at the moment. But TradingView is the primary platform. It works best with TradingView. So if you want a copy of this, just click the link below and we could get it to you. All right, have a good night. Bye.